What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco Raptor. Today we're going to be adding some new grab handle graphics. All right, guys, so obviously the Bronco Raptors all have the code orange little accents here in the center, but the one grab handle here does not have it. It's just black, where the other grab handles clearly have all the orange. So I went on StickerFab, ordered a few other things, which I will do a video on, but I did get the code orange here to go over this handle to match the rest of the interior. So we're just gonna get our toolkit. We're gonna take these Torx bits out here. We're gonna pull the handle out, bring it inside, and we're gonna lay this on, and we're gonna see how it comes out, how it looks, and how it matches. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got the handle installed back in the Bronco, and the colors match really nice, and it does look really good from a distance. But full transparency here, the fitment of it really is not the best. It was overlapping here, so I wound up adding a little extra piece, a strip here to go down to try to keep this tight because it just wasn't lining up properly. You can see here, it's kind of the same deal. You do have to stretch it a little bit. I used, as you saw, the blow dryer, but it's just, there is imperfections around, which if you're like me and you get really anal about these things, you know, it does kind of bother me. So I'll leave it for now, but I might peel it off and either try again or figure out another solution. But I really do like the color. It looks really good in the truck and it matches nice and gives it a nice pop. It's just the fitment is not perfect, so it kind of bothers me a little bit. So I wanted to do an honest, true, transparent review for anyone who is wondering if they want to do this mod or not. You will run into some of these issues. You can see it's just, it doesn't fit perfectly, and this is even with stretching. So without it, all the grooves were not lining up properly. So hope you guys like this video, helps anybody out who is interested in this product. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below, and thanks for following the channel. All right, guys, so after making this video, it was really bothering me, so I took the handle back off, and with some of the extra material I had, I redid the strip and I did it all the way down here, and I think it looks a lot better now. And I had put another piece of it right over that one as well to kind of make it look a little more complete. So that's where we're at now. So I think it looks a little bit better, but still the fitment is obviously not the best, but I tried to make it work with what we had.